Let's imagine looking inside the wires of an electric circuit. Notice how this circuit hasn't been connected yet, so no current flows anywhere. The wires are made from a scaffolding or lattice of positive ions with floating free electrons between them. In this visualization, the big wobbling blobs are the positive ions and the drifting smudges represent electrons. When the circuit is connected, the electrons all start moving everywhere at the same time, but they bash into the positive ions as they move and bounce back. It's this bashing and bouncing between the electrons and the positive ions that causes electrical resistance. Every time they bounce off a positive ion, the whole lattice shakes a bit, and this shaking at the atomic level is what heating is. More shaking means more heating. When the ions shake more, in other words, when the temperature goes up, they also bash into the electrons a bit more, and this tends to make it harder for the electrons to move along the wire. So increasing the temperature increases the resistance.